Do you know
Here.
who's so what this is 13% loss, right? Do you know whose
Yes.
account this is?
Oh, is this the intern?
This is the
Who's
intern.
this? Is there-
Uh-oh. I said it's covered. So they have some funds. So they're winning overall because their ETH deposits went up.
Hmm.
But yes, this one was indeed closed for loss. So that one position kind of looks bad. That's why I said sometimes you have to look at the whole portfolio like we did before. But in that case, they would still be earning, but that position kind of did not work out for them. So, but yes, and two
Well,
ETH.
I'm glad I have you here for the context then, because looking at this trade in isolation, we wouldn't know. But can you break down just real quick why did this trade go wrong? What was the psychology behind this trade, and then how does it fit in the bigger
Yeah, so
portfolio?
I think this is we added a new feature on the UI to include your deposits in your P&L chart. And Intern had two or three, maybe two positions. We were again, you can even look at the market info, but we were able to see that yes, even though we seem to be neutral or even bearish, which is what a lot of our trades were, if we include the deposits, ETH is adding extra exposure. So in that case, we're a bit more bullish than we wished. And I think that position was to neutralize these deltas to be more neutral so that you have positive deltas from the deposits in your positions. You add something that is extremely negative delta, which is that short call, to equilibrate this, that the net position was still neutral as opposed to being bullish. Because Rosalie had the assumption that ETH was a bit more bearish. It was bearish for a long time, but now again, we got caught because we were neutral and it went up. But again, we were not bearish necessarily, we were just neutral, and that trade was the hedge to bring the deltas down.
Okay, so this is not a single trade in isolation. This trade has a negative delta, which means as the price of ETH goes up, the trade loses value, which did happen. However, the reason for this trade was a negative delta balances out the positive delta of just holding ETH in your account.